Hi and welcome to TechBoard. This is Akej. I'm a mechanical engineering student, but my love for coding has seen me become a self-taught programmer. So without wasting any much time, let's get started. In this challenge, I've decided to do a Python course series. By the end of this video, you'll pretty much know what Python is and its various applications. In this challenge, I'm going to guide you on everything concerning Python, starting from the basics all the way to the advanced level. Along the way, also in this challenge, we are going to do some projects so that everything you have learned is made practical and applicable in your everyday side projects. All thanks to the Dutch programmer and father of Python, Guido van Rossum, for creating Python in the year 1989. There's so much we can talk about regarding Python, its evolution and its growth over the years. But in this video, we are not going to look at that. I'm sorry, you can go look it up on the internet. So to make this video short, let's dive at the things we are going to cover today in this video. And the first one is why Python. Why you should learn it. It is powerful and easy. How you can do it. What you can do with it. How it can be done. Its drawbacks, and how to install it on your machine. And the first thing on our list today is why Python. And the simple answer to this is the user friendliness of Python and its large community. In Python, one can easily work with different frameworks and the extensive library created by other people instead of doing similar things starting from scratch. You can use things like the TopTal, Python Discord, PySlakers, you name it. The list is just endless. Another thing is that Python is free and open source. Although this can be reverse engineered, the level of encryption of Python is very complex, making it almost impossible for data breaches. A reminder again, if you're someone interested in tech reviews, tech podcast, or anything related to technology in general, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and most importantly, ring the bell so you don't miss the upcoming videos. This is really going to excite the YouTube algorithm, and it's also going to motivate me to do more videos like this. The second one on our list is that Python is fast and powerful. Python is a high programming language and it is interpreted. This means that lines of codes are interpreted line by line. In short, Python works like a compiler. Python is dynamic. Although it is mainly used for high programming language, Python can also be used to develop operating systems and database management systems. In comparison to other programming languages, Python is very light and fast in data processing. It is also very easy to understand. The third one on our list is that why should someone learn Python? Python is very easy to learn as its syntax are similar to those of the human languages. They are just direct. While other languages may require many symbols like colons, semicolons, square brackets, curly brackets, and more to execute a simple command, Python may require less than that. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to use C++, JavaScript, C# so that you can see what I'm talking about. We are going to print the simple line, hit the subscribe button. The first one is done using Python. The second one is C++, JavaScript, C#. I don't know what is easy and what is hard for you, but for me, I would have settled with Python for sure. And the fourth one on our list is what can you do with Python? Due to its lightness and fast in processing, Python can be applied in various areas, starting from machine learning, artificial intelligence, automation, website development, robotics, data science. The list is not going to end any soon. Python has so many frameworks like the Python's Django, Flask, Pylon projects, Zob, Web2Py. There are so many. Some of the projects done using Python include Facebook, Instagram, Uber, Netflix, Spotify, Quora, Reddit, Drawbacks, and the list is going on. If you want to know more about projects done using Python, you can go search it on the internet. The fifth on our list is how can it be done? I tell you what, hitting the subscribe button is the best answer. Why? Because here you can suggest anything you want and I'll try my best to bring it to life. And the good thing here is that everyone is free to suggest what they want to see done. So please make use of the comment section and I will do my best to answer you.